Welcome everybody to Travel About. Good morning. We are here at the South Point restaurant today, South Point Casino today, at the Coronado Cafe for breakfast. This is a very, very, very busy place. Today is what? What is today? Sunday? It's Sunday, about 10 a.m. Extremely busy. We had to wait quite a long time in line. And we finally got in. Once we got in, we were served with our drinks pretty quickly. We have not gotten our food ordered yet. So I got my coffee. I like the coffee. I put 2 creams and 1 sugar in it. This is pretty good coffee. And you know I like coffee. This water is undrinkable. I don't know what's wrong with it. There's something wrong with the water. Don't drink the water. I don't know what's going on. That's not water. Sorry, I can't explain it. It tastes like dishwater, maybe? Soapy water? Sweet? I don't know. There's something wrong with it. Anyway, it's quite horrible. Let's recap. Coffee good. Water needs to go back into the sink. Anyway, I'm going to order an omelet if anyone ever takes my order. And you're going to order what?
Parfait.
She's going to order a yogurt parfait. And we'll see how the food is here. On my way out, I'm going to swing the camera around. I can't really do it right now. There's so many people. This is probably one of the busiest restaurants I've been in a long, long, long time. So you would think, oh, it's probably because it's cheap. No. I know you might have seen some things on YouTube about how cheap it is. No, that's only their late night, midnight specials. This is not cheap. Pretty expensive, actually, compared to some other places. Let's order. Okay, we ordered. It didn't take too long. We were in here, what, 10 minutes, I guess? About 10 minutes. We got our order in. See how long it takes to get the food. I got a very simple ham and cheddar cheese omelet, 3-egg omelet, rye bread toast, and I told them to make my hash browns extra crispy. We'll see how that goes. Order as it come. These are extra crispy hash browns. They got it right. Ham and cheese, cheddar cheese omelet, rye bread toast, and Leslie got this, looks like a milkshake, but it's a parfait in a milkshake glass. She's got, it's like strawberry yogurt maybe, strawberries and bananas, and I see some granola down in the bottom. So yeah, she's gonna enjoy that. And she did confirm with me that the water was not so hot. I don't recommend the water. Not sure what's going on with that. It's really odd. But let's cut into this omelet and see what the ham looks like in there. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, it's loaded. Yeah, it's loaded. And let's check down inside the hash browns. Make sure they just didn't get the top. Yeah, they kind of just hit the top, but that's okay. This is the way I like it. That's the way I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of this for you. Ham and cheddar cheese. That's good, guys. That is loaded with cheddar. Loaded. All right, now let's try out our extra crispy hash browns, which a little cheese stuck to them. That's always a good thing. Let's try that. Crunchy, the way I like them. I say they got my order just right. And since we're filming, let's grab a piece of rye bread toast. Rye is my favorite toast for breakfast. It's already buttered. It's very good. Seeded rye is what I like. Yeah, breakfast is great. Let's move over to the parfait. How is it? Take a bite. So she got some granola and vanilla yogurt or strawberry yogurt in that one. She's shaking her head. So yes, we have approval on the breakfast. The water, no. Water bad. Breakfast good. Let's eat. I'll show you the bill in a few minutes. Breakfast was good. We finished everything. Here you go. And that's it. I like the fact that they actually put crispy on the menu. That really tells the cook, instead of just passing it through by word of mouth, they actually told the cook what I really wanted.
It was good to keep moving because when I realized you can move the pan out, but it sets you back. Like so, you know, off, right,